Currently 5 in the morning. We got the Viola and the Wyra Roadster, and of course the Macchina Volante. My best Chris scene impression. Still here at Lake Maggiore. Found some sort of a abandoned parking lot right here, right next to the lakeside. Not bad indeed. Doors up on Chris Singh's Macchina Volante here, guys. Check out the interior. Ooh, looking mighty fine. The sun is rising right over that mountain right over there. Quite hard to pick up the purple here with the sun blinding and blazing away, but this thing is absolutely nice, absolutely gorgeous. What are everyone's thoughts on the Wyra Roadster? This is matte white with blue accents, carbon fiber. The top is off. You see the AMG V12 right over there. Ooh, let's check it. Look at the interior. Pretty damn sick. I like it. Check this out. We got the blue accents KHK style on the Wyra Roadster, and it's blue accents right around here as well, near the taillights. There it is, guys. Behind the scenes photo shoot at sunrise here at Lake Maggiore. The sun is shining down on all of us. There it is in all its glory. You can see the color a lot better, but this thing is pretty damn sick, honestly. We last saw this at Geneva. It was quite cloudy and rainy, so seeing this in the sunlight makes it 1,000 times better. And of course, we got the Wyra Roadster and the Viola rolling out, so that's a pretty sick view from the rear here, guys. All 3 cars in formation. Ooh, yeah. We got the breakfast of champions. We got croissant, Coke, a little pastry, and of course, free Wi-Fi connected. Yes. OG subscribers will remember last year's shoot. We got the Phantasma and the Quintasma in a similarly looking place. We got the Wyra Roadster and the Viola just casually abandoned here. We got the Macchina Volante inside this church square here, so let's go inside and take a quick peek. Pretty cool location here, guys. Got the mirrors of Jesus Christ's crucifixion, and we got a Zonda rolling through. All right, guys, let's take a closer look at the Macchina Volante here. Doors up. No Christine to be found, but check out the interior. Here we go. Absolutely gorgeous. Well done, Mr. Lamborghini KS. Unfortunately, the question is, where are you, mate? Get the start up. It's kind of like an assembly line. One car goes over there, one car goes in, so it's perfect. Hope you guys enjoy that quick footage of the photo sesh in the morning. Got the 3rd day of the Raduno about to start. Might have a surprise guest later this afternoon, so we'll see about that, guys. So stay tuned and yep, enjoy. Guys, you gotta check out this tunnel. It's literally endless. We can't even see the end here. We've been driving for like 5 minutes. It's a damn shame I can't stop to the side of the road and get some tunnel clips for you guys. We also think there's some speed cameras here, so never mind. Dude, this lake is massive. We're at the other end of the tunnel and there's another lake. There he is, Mr. Hedgehog, our spirit animal on the Pagani Raduno 2018. I'm gonna make an executive decision, guys, and we're gonna go up that bridge and possibly near the tunnel, I guess. Maybe get some accelerations. Holy shit, what the hell is that? Look at that, guys. Zoom in. Holy smokes. All right, guys, we're nearly at the entrance of the tunnel. We've been walking for like 15 goddamn minutes for you guys. We're hustling to get you guys the content. I'm gonna try and snake my way through that tunnel over there, but the views here are pretty goddamn amazing. But let's keep on rolling. Hopefully there's a walkway there and we'll see what happens. I hear something. Hold on, wait for it. Wait for it. Steady. Steady. Sounds like a fucking train. Check this out. We got the local Mustang fuckboy crew here at the Regina Palace. It's a Mustang. What? You can usually tell when the Paganis are coming when you see these men in the orange vests. Yeah. Hold on. And that's it, guys. We're done.
We're fucked. You good. He did it just for Golden.
We missed out. We were just at McDonald's feasting on a grand meal.
We hate McDonald's forever.
Yeah. And we got word that Genio CLK GTR has just arrived to crash the mediocre Pagani rally. So we think the car's probably gone, but we're not really sure. We'll have to see. There it is right there. It's crashed the entire Pagani Raduno, guys. We're gonna hop on now and take a quick peek. Got Genio hooking it up and gate crashing the entire Pagani Raduno here, man. Showing everyone up and taking the prime valet spot. Check that out, guys. My goodness. Embarrassing Pagani owners on their own rally. Italian plated CLK GTR V12 naturally aspirated AMG machine right here, man. 1 to 25. Same engine as the Zonda R, by the way. One last view of the CLK GTR before we head back on the road. Hopefully this thing dries with the Raduno for a little bit. We'll see what happens. No promises, guys. We'll do our very best, as usual, to bring you the best content here at the 2018 Pagani Raduno. Holy shit, what is that? Oh. Once again, we find ourselves illegally parked on the side of the road. We're just waiting for the cars to roll through. And speak of the devil, here they come. We're just waiting for the CLK GTR to roll through. I've only seen one on the road. Uno! You know, guys, there are moments in life where you're just so damn happy to see a V6 F-Type in another country. My heart just stopped beating. My goodness, what a beauty. That goddamn V6 F-Type. I'm just done, guys. I'm done with the rally. That's all I ever needed to see, guys. I'm so done. Yes, sir. Yes! Holy shit. Oh my god, that V6 F-Type! Yes! Now we're rolling, guys. Now we're rolling. All right. We gotta hustle. Where is everybody? We gotta hustle. Well, sorry for the abrupt interruption. I'm currently at my other hotel editing this video, but I have a clip from the owner, Automobile Almost, linking his Instagram right here, guys. Make sure to check him out. He's the owner of the CLK GTR. His friend was live streaming as passenger while he was driving during this route here. So I'm gonna put a clip right here. Dude, this is some motherfucking revolutionary shit right here. My heart is just pounding right now, guys. Check it out.